All right, this is Nico Moreno here, and in this video, I'm going to be walking through what are prop firms in the first place, because I know a lot of people don't really understand the concept, or maybe they've never even heard of it. So if you're in that bucket, that's great. This video is going to address that and explain it for you. I'm also going to explain why I feel that prop firms are actually one of the best investments that one can make to have an outsized risk to reward ratio. And what I mean by that is specifically, you can keep your risk very, very low, but your upside is substantially, like significantly higher than your downside. So it's an asymmetric risk to reward play. And that's something that I always look for when I'm making investments. So if this sounds good to you, just stick around through the whole video. I'm going to walk through some examples of what's possible with prop firms. This is not financial advice. This is just my experience and my beliefs and my thought processes. And yeah, so make of it what you will. But let's just get right into it. So I have a bunch of bullet points that I'm going to walk through and talk through so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if prop firms are something that you want to try. And again, you're also going to understand what they are. So right here, if you look on the left, I have a couple of screenshots from clients who have been using our service. And I'll explain what the different services are. But they're using prop firms. All right, so you can see right here, this client got a $11,000 payout from a prop firm using our bot. And this was on a little bit earlier in 2025. We also have another client right here who told me, let's see, he says, "Hey Nico, the bot just went for the first full week and I'm up $2,301 on my account. So this is crazy, literally more than my day job." I guess that was in about 1 week. So yeah, and he says, "You're the man, this is crazy." So this is from using our forex scalper bot. And yeah, a couple more things, then we'll just get into the video. Another client says, "Today is exactly 2 weeks running it. Last night while I slept, it made $2,160 and it's made $4,036 in 2 weeks. Nice job, Nico." So if you zoom in, see the profit, total profit is $4,000. Now, that sounds outlandish, right? That sounds impossible. How could one make $4,000 in 2 weeks? Well, it's specifically with prop firms. So without prop firms, it's unrealistic for most investors. But with prop firms, literally anybody, the cool thing is like prop firms level the playing field. Literally anybody can do this using a prop firm and using our bots. So that is super cool. And then one more client right here, and then we'll get into it. He says, "Hey, I got a $9,290 payout from the FTMO account." FTMO is one of the prop firms that you can use. There's a ton of different prop firms. And I can't believe this profit payment just arrived in my wallet. So yeah, he made $9,000. That was after about a month. So prop firms are, again, far and away one of the best. I'm using it as like kind of an investment vehicle. And so that's why I'm here educating you as to why I think this is so good. And you can decide for yourself if you want to try it too. So yeah, let me make myself a little smaller and then we'll just talk through some of my bullet points here. I just compiled a list of what I think are the most important reasons to consider prop firms. They're not perfect, so I'm going to also talk through like things that you need to be aware of. And ultimately, yeah, I'm just going to share a lot of information so you can be educated about what they are and why you might want to use them. So really the main reason why people use them is this. Like if you've ever felt stuck with trading because you just don't have enough capital, right? Like if you're making 5%, which by the way, 5% return is a very good return per month on an account, right? That's a very good return, right? You should be happy with that percentage. But if your trading capital is only $1,000, you're only making $50 a month, which is really not life-changing, right? Now imagine making that same 5% return, but on a $500,000 account. All right, so that is $25,000 in a single month without risking any of your own money because you're using prop firms. All right, let me make myself bigger. I feel like it's too small. So yeah, see, this is where the magic of prop firms really comes in, right? You're making the exact same return, probably doing the exact same trades, but you're able to make $25,000 in a single month instead of $50, right? So it's like, which one would you choose, right? You would probably choose the 25,000, right? So that's exactly what prop firms allow you to do. And yeah, again, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you. What are prop firms? How do they work? why I believe them to be the safest way to scale your trading, and it is essentially the only way that I do right now. And also how you can get started literally as early as today. It's super cool. Prop firms have leveled the playing field for anyone. Even if you don't have a massive trading account or even a massive budget, you can still get started literally as soon as today. So what exactly is a prop firm? Well, a prop firm, it's actually short for proprietary trading firm. Basically what it does is they give traders, or you don't even have to consider yourself a trader, it can be anyone. It's give people access to huge amounts of capital to trade with. And instead of risking your own small account, you trade their money, and when you make profits, you split the profits. Most prop firms let you keep 70 to 90% of the profits. Sometimes you can even do 100%. I use a prop firm, and I'll tell you which prop firm I use. It'll be in the link in the description down below. But you can actually also get 100% of the profits. So, right here, I got this little summary from ChatGPT. It says they cover the capital, you bring the strategy. Now, something that I think a lot of people don't realize, and is also kind of newer knowledge, is that prop firms, you're not actually even trading real money. So by the way, this is not a loan. There's no recourse. There's no downside. You're not liable for the money if you lose it, because what we've actually recently found out in the prop firm space is that you're not even trading real money. You are trading a virtual account. Now a lot of prop firms are upfront about that, but for a while they weren't upfront about it. But you're trading a virtual account with the money. But when you grow that virtual account, you still get paid out in real money. Okay, so think about this. The prop firm doesn't lose money when you lose money with the prop firm capital. Brilliant, right? Because you're trading a virtual account. But then they will still pay you out because they make so much money. They literally make like millions of dollars a month with their business model. So they'll pay you out, the couple grand or the $10,000 or the $20,000 that you make off of their accounts, right? So the only catch is you need to prove that you can trade profitably and with discipline. So that's what the prop firm challenge is. It's a test account. So you start out with a test account and you have to hit a certain profit target without breaking their risk rules. And that is key. If you pass it by not breaking any of their rules, then you unlock a funded account with massive buying power. But you can also fail, right? So if you don't abide by their rules, each prop firm has different rules. If you don't abide by them, then you'll fail the account and you don't get your money back. You're not liable for all the hundreds of thousands of dollars in the account, but you also don't get the fee you paid back, right? That's just the end of it. The account's dead. You don't get your money back, but you can buy a new account if you want to. So here is why I believe this is a game changer and why it matters. So let's say, again, you're trading your own $1,000 account. Even if you're really good, like if you get a 10% return per month, you only made $100. Like, again, not life-changing at all. You're probably honestly going to be very unhappy if you work super, super hard to make a 10% return, but that only gets you $100, right? So now take the same exact strategy and apply it to a $500,000 account. 5 to 10% return means you're making $25,000 to $50,000 a month. The exact same skill, same amount of effort, but you just multiply it by the prop firm's capital, right? Again, the best part is your personal risk is capped. You're not putting $500K of your own money on the line. And again, the prop firm, this little summary says that the prop firm takes on that risk, but really they don't even take on that risk. They're giving you a virtual account, all right? So if you lose the $500K, nobody actually loses it because it's a virtual account. But you will get paid out in real profits if you make a profit on the account. Because again, prop firms make millions of dollars per year, and a lot of them make millions of dollars per month from their business model, the way they structure this. And because of that, they can certainly pay you out what you deserve. All right, so here's the drawbacks, and I'll also share the solutions because, yeah, there are drawbacks for sure to this, so that's why you need to be educated about it. But there's also solutions to these drawbacks. So prop firms, they're definitely not perfect. First, you have to pass the challenge. Most traders fail. Literally 95% of traders, sometimes even more, fail the challenge. Why? Because it's first of all, it's hard to manually trade and generate 5 to 10% per month without breaking drawdown rules, which means without losing or even having a floating loss of a certain amount, right? Just most people simply are not able to do that. That's just the truth. Second, it takes a lot of discipline. Like you can blow the account with reckless trading super easily. And I've done that, right, with manual trading. So Third, it can be emotionally draining if you're doing it manually. Like it's just, if you've ever tried manual trading, which if you're watching this, maybe some of you have, some of you may have not, but it's very, very emotionally taxing. Like, you know, you press the button, you're in a trade, and then you see the trade go against you and you're suddenly losing money. It's like, then you kind of want to get out of the trade because you're like, oh my gosh, I was wrong. And you see the account balance dropping. So it's very emotionally draining. So here's the solution though. You don't have to do this alone. You actually don't have to do it at all yourself. So we created 2 different services that are super hot right now. A ton of people are signing up for these services. So down below, you can actually click the links and apply for either one of these. You don't need to do both. You can do both though. Some people actually sign up for both services. But one of them is our Done For You Trading Bot, which is a fully automated trading system that executes profitable trading strategies 24/7 on your account. So no emotions for you, like you don't have to be emotional about it. There's no screen time. You literally do not even have to look at the screen or look at charts or anything. It's completely automated and it just brings you consistent results. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. You're basically getting the result without doing any of the work because it's basically an automated software that does the work for you. We also have a Done For You prop firm account passing service. So if you want to skip the hardest part, which is passing the prop firm challenge, we will actually pass the challenge for you so that you can just go straight to trading with the big capital from the prop firms. So again, if you're interested, you can check the links down below. We'll have links to both of these services. And again, here's what most people miss. Prop firms are literally one of the lowest risk, highest reward ways to trade. Why is that? Like, think about it. The worst case, let's say you buy an account for $1,000, right? Let's say, in general, if you pay $1,000, usually the account size you can get for that is a $200,000 account, all right? It may vary slightly, but let's use that as an example. So your total risk is $1,000, right? The most you can lose is $1,000. Basically, that means if the account fails and, you know, it goes to zero, you've just lost the fee, which is $1,000, right? So that's the downside, but compare that to your upside of making 5 to 10% per month, right? That's $10,000 to $20,000 per month, right? So that's essentially 6 figures per year, right? So you're risking $1,000 one time to make $6,000, to make 6 figures per year. So we'll say 100 grand a year. And that's ongoing, it doesn't stop, right? So think about it that way. Like you're literally essentially you're 100xing or more your investment if you do this the right way, which I can help you do, right? So that's why it's just, I mean, you're just literally multiplying money in a crazy way, which is amazing, right? If you want to multiply money, like this is the way to do it, I think. Again, worst case, you lose your small challenge fee. Best case, you unlock 6-figure or even 7-figure funded accounts. And I'll tell you more about how you can even literally get 7 figures of funding or more. So yeah, again, this is why I believe that prop firms are the future of trading for literally everyday people. I've told my mom about it. I have a bunch of other, a bunch of friends and family members who are either considering it or they've already started doing it. And I have a bunch of clients who are doing it with me too. So it doesn't matter if you're a crypto investor, stock trader, day trader, or you're just completely new to the idea of trading, or if you don't even consider yourself a trader and you don't want to be a trader, but you just want some passive income, like this is for you, right? So for me personally, I trade with $500,000 accounts. I have 5 $500,000 accounts. So you can do the math, which means, that's $2.5 million in prop firm capital. My average monthly return is 5 to 10% per month on these accounts. So with one $500,000 account, that's $25K to $50K. I'm going to do another video in my next video that I film. I don't know when it's going to be live, probably within the next 3 or 4 days after this video goes live. I'm going to show you my 51K payout from one of these accounts, just because that was a cool thing that happened, and I posted it on my Facebook the other day, and it blew up, and a lot of people were excited about it for good reason. So yeah, I'm going to walk you through that. But yeah, basically, I have 5 500K accounts, and I'm going to get more. I'm going to get 5 more probably, because why not? You're just literally multiplying your income in a crazy way. So if I were trading with the same strategy on a $1,000 account, I would literally be making 50 to 100 bucks. Isn't that bad? To me, that is not worth it. And that's the power of leverage and why I'm so passionate about helping others tap into this system. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this was an eye-opening experience for you. If you didn't know what prop firms are, now you know what they are, and you also see why they are such an incredible opportunity right now for literally anyone. Again, you have a very, very small defined downside risk, right, that you have to be willing to risk that amount. But for the massive potential upside, which is, potentially six-figure or more income stream per year just from these accounts, right? So hope you guys love this. And hey, if you want to get in on this, if you want to start using prop firms to make a significant amount of income, check out the links down below. You can sign up for, again, 2 of our different services. You just decide which one you want. You can decide for the done-for-you trading bot. You can have it running within 24 hours. This is if you actually want to have the bot yourself, right? And you want to set it up, you want to manage it on maybe your own accounts or your own prop firm accounts, then you can do that. Or if you don't really want to manage the bot yourself, like you don't want to do any of the setup or anything like that, and you just want the accounts, we can also do the done-for-you prop firm account passing service. We still use the same bot on that, but this is just more for you. If you don't want to fumble with anything, you don't want to fumble with any tech stuff or bots or anything like that, and it just doesn't interest you to have the bot, then you can just sign up for this one instead. Again, so yeah, these are hands down the fastest way to unlock massive capital and start seeing real results for yourself with trading. So again, check out all the links down below. Oh, and by the way, like I promised, I have my favorite prop firm that I always use down below. I've used others, but this is my favorite one. They pay out well. They actually pay out in crypto. And yeah, it's been my favorite one so far. They have really actually affordable challenges because sometimes they do sales. And when they do the sales, it's extremely you will not find a better deal anywhere. So click the link down below to see my favorite prop firm, and I'll see you guys in the next one.